Hey everyone, welcome back to StepWise Academy. If you're trying to run BlueStacks 5 and you see the error Virtualization Disabled, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it on an AMD processor. When I try to launch BlueStacks 5, I get this message. Error, Virtualization Disabled. This means that virtualization is turned off in the BIOS, and we need to enable it manually. To do that, restart your computer. As it boots up, repeatedly press the Delete key, or F2, depending on your motherboard, to enter the BIOS setup. I'm using a Gigabyte motherboard, so your interface might look slightly different. Once you're inside the BIOS, go to the Tweaker tab, then scroll down and find Advanced CPU Settings. Inside this menu, look for the option called SVM Mode. This is AMD's virtualization setting. By default, it's set to Disabled. Change it to Enabled. After that, go to the Save and Exit tab, select Save and Exit Setup, and press Yes to confirm the changes. Your system will now restart with virtualization enabled. Once your computer starts up, open BlueStacks 5 again. And this time, it should run without any errors. Now virtualization is fully enabled on your AMD processor. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the virtualization disabled error for BlueStacks 5. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tech tutorials here on StepWise Academy. See you in the next video.